Understanding Fillet Weld, an English learning journey. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English learning video. Today, we're going to explore a technical term in the welding world, fillet weld. Whether you're an English learner interested in technical vocabulary or just curious about welding terms, this video is for you. A fillet weld is a common type of weld used in metalworking. It's a welding technique used to join two pieces of metal together at a right angle or an obtuse angle. This weld is triangular in shape and is used when the pieces to be joined meet at an angle other than 180 degrees. Understanding this term is crucial for anyone involved in welding or metalwork. The word fillet can be a bit tricky to pronounce for English learners. It's pronounced as fillet weld, not fillet like in filet mignon. The term fillet weld is used both as a noun and a verb in sentences. For example, as a noun, the fillet weld was perfectly executed. As a verb, we need to fillet weld these two pieces. In the world of welding, understanding and correctly applying a fillet weld is essential. It's one of the most common welds due to its versatility and strength. This type of weld is used in various applications, from building construction to automotive repair. Knowing about fillet welds is important for anyone pursuing a career in industries that involve metal fabrication. Here, you can include images or animations showing a fillet weld in action. This visual representation will help learners grasp the concept more effectively. I hope this video has helped clarify what a fillet weld is and why it's important in the welding and metalwork industry. Remember, expanding your English vocabulary to include technical terms can open new doors of understanding and communication. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.